Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the smartest budget gadgets on the market. The BeeNLink Smart Plug with energy monitoring. For under $16, you get energy tracking, surge protection, and voice control compatibility. Let's get you set up and ready to dominate your smart home. First things first, when you unbox your BeeNLink, you'll find the compact smart plug itself, which is surprisingly small, plus a handy quick start guide. Everything you need is right here. No extra purchases required. The compact design means it won't block your other outlets, even when plugged into power strips. Next, grab your smartphone and head to the App Store or Google Play. Download the official BeeNLink app. It's free. Create your account with a valid email address. And make sure you remember your login. This app is your command center for everything the smart plug can do. Now plug your BeeNLink into any standard outlet near your router. Open the app and tap Add Device. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This is important. It needs to be 2.4, not 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and within seconds, your plug should connect. You'll see a confirmation notification. Want hands-free control? Open your Alexa or Google Home app and search for the BeeNLink skill or action. Enable it. Log in with your BeeNLink credentials and authorize the connection. Within moments, your plug will show up in your voice assistant app, ready for voice commands like, Alexa, turn off the living room plug. Single quote. Here's where the BeeNLink really shines. In the app, you can set daily or weekly timers to automatically turn devices on and off. Check the energy monitoring dashboard to see exactly how many watts your device is using right now. Over time, you'll see monthly and yearly breakdowns of your energy consumption and estimated costs. Perfect for optimizing your electricity bill. Safety first. The BeeNLink comes with surge protection built in, so your expensive electronics are safeguarded against power spikes. Just remember not to plug in high-power devices like space heaters or air conditioners. Stick to regular appliances and gadgets. Keep it away from water and moisture. And you're golden for years of reliable service. And that's it. You're now a BeeNLink expert. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing smart home content. Drop a comment below telling me what device you're planning to control with your new smart plug. Thanks for watching, and happy smart home building.